Welcome to the first ever banana taxi. Fast, cheap, and fruity.
Bro, your tires are made of bananas.
Eco-friendly.
Take me to Coconut Street.
Banana Express, full speed ahead.
Oh no, here we go again.
Is this a ride or an earthquake?
Free massage included.
We're flying again.
It's banana-powered aviation.
Hey, watch where you're going.
Sorry, GPS said go bananas.
That's a fruit, not a direction. Drift mode activated. More like split mode.
You missed my stop.
No problem. Shortcut through Banana River.
We can't swim.
Now it's Banana Cruise Line.
This business is sinking fast.
I'll keep finding my house. Free delivery, Your Majesty. You're hired as my royal driver.
Yes.
Wait, does it come with insurance?
Gorilla, you need real driving lessons.
I already know. I watched 3 YouTube tutorials.
We're doomed again. Okay, gently start the engine.
He started the explosion, not the engine.
The engine. Only use horn when needed. He thinks it's background music. See the red light?
Yes. Red means faster.
Red means stop, genius.
Can I get a lift?
Sure, fastest taxi in the jungle.
Watch this drift.
This isn't drifting, Mo. It's disastering. License, please.
I have a banana card. Same thing, right?
You're under laughter arrest.
You failed every rule.
But nobody got hurt, except the taxi.
That's half success. Fine. You're now certified banana driver.
Yes. Time to open a driving school.
Oh no, not again.
First rule, honk before thinking.